In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Trello email notifications, a handy skill particularly if you're aiming for a clutter-free inbox. We'll walk through straightforward steps that will enable you to customize your email settings effectively. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the upper right corner and click the Login button. Here you'll find various options to log in. You can use your Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack account. Alternatively, you might prefer entering your email address to access your account. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Trello interface where you should see your profile icon. Click on it and you'll notice a drop-down menu. From this list, choose the Settings option to access your account settings page. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Email Notifications. This area holds the key to managing how often you receive email updates from Trello. You'll notice different settings such as never, periodically, and instantly. If you're looking to stop all email notifications, simply select never. This will ensure you no longer receive any email prompts from Trello. But what if you'd like a bit more control? Trello allows you to further customize which notifications you receive. This means you can decide to opt out of notifications for certain activities, such as comments, whenever a card is moved, or when a new card gets added. This flexibility allows you to tailor your notifications based on what matters most to you. It's important to note, however, that turning off general email notifications doesn't necessarily mean a complete blackout of updates. If you're an active member of specific Trello boards or if you are mentioned within a card, you may continue to receive relevant notifications. This ensures you aren't missing out on critical updates or assignments where your input is required. Once you've set your preferences, relax knowing that your inbox won't be overwhelmed with Trello updates. You can always revisit and adjust these settings if your needs change in the future. And there you have it, you've now mastered how to turn off, customize and manage Trello's email notifications, making sure you're only receiving the updates that are truly necessary. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has helped streamline your communication with Trello. Feel free to leave any questions or comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.